My name is Matias Campo from Span Architects in Vienna, Austria. Span was founded by Sandra Manninger and myself in 2003. Both of us are basically science fiction fans, and of course one of the desires we have is to get this kind of, let's say, sensibilities into architecture with the use of computational design tools. We always work with the computer as the main design tool, but we also have the desire to make that physically what we create on the computer. So we don't want it to stay a rendering. That's not enough for us. We really want to make it physical in a way. At the beginning, you start making models by hand. You can actually do, let's say, models of complex curved geometries by hand. I mean, Gaudi did that 100 years ago. But on the other hand, it is very time-consuming. You need to be very precise. It is something that is very costly because you outsource that most of the time. A model the size of a shoebox would take, for sure, 4 to 5, 6 days. And with the HP machine, the same size would take 24 hours. So the HP Designjet 3D provided us with the possibility to increase the speed, which means that we save several days in shipping and all sorts of things. Every day that you get more that you can put in a design is, of course, an advantage in the competition process. It's very simple to use. It is actually just sitting there and working, basically like one of the other guys working in the office. And nothing is too complicated for the machine. Everything that you designed watertight on the computer can be 3D printed, no matter how intricate or complicated it is. To do something by hand like this is impossible in my eyes. And with another technology, it would be very, very difficult to get these kind of very thin ribs that are holding here the facade to each other. You can do really things that would be absolutely unthinkable for a model maker. We're actually at the moment working on a high-riser in China. I don't think that we could have done the models in any other way faster than we did now with the HP Designjet 3D. It really gave us the opportunity to react very fast, first of all on our architectural demands, of course, and our design, but on the other hand also we could react very fast on the specifics of the customer. I think one of the biggest advantages of the machine is the robustness of the models. I dropped one of the models that were made with the HP Designjet 3D print, and I was like, oh my god, I dropped it. It dropped on the floor and nothing happened. For customers, it's of course great. It's for them always a surprise to see basically what they're gonna have at the end of the day when they build it in a very detailed and sophisticated model. I think it's very satisfying for them. It is sometimes difficult to understand the potential of an architectural space completely only looking at a 2D representation. But if you have it in 3D, it's really just, you take it in your hands and then, it's a German word called begreifen, yeah? Which means you touch something, but simultaneously you get it.